Hello students, welcome to my channel Computer Information Satyajit.
Today we discuss how to create a visa application form in MS Word. Let's go to practical. This is the MS Word and this is the menu bar. Click on page layout option and go to the margin. Then click on normal. Margin should be normal and orientation portrait on the landscape. Then size should be A4 size because officially paper is A4 size. Then go to the insert option first and click on word art option. Here we write just a design V. First we write V, then second we write work, then next we write ISR, ISA, visa. Go to the insert, then click the format menu and put the text color and text outline also no color. And go to the home menu, increase the font size, just we setting, copy and paste, press the control button and drag the mouse, then setting, here we click the color, text color and drag and drop. Go to the home menu and increase the font size. Here we write work, then just copy and write visa. Click, then select all data and go to the format option, then click the text color and increase the font size. Just drag the side of the V. Outline color, no outline color, and this is also click no outline color. Now go to the format option, then start on writing a application. First we write A and select, then go to the home menu and increase the font size and click on format option, then text color and no outline and increase the font size. Here we write application PPLICATION. Just select, then click on home menu or format menu. You can use text color, also home menu, otherwise go to the format menu and click the text color option. Okay, this is the text color, no outline, and here setting the text. Okay, now we go to the insert menu and take a shape square, that is called square, and just increase the size and go to the color option. Go to the color option. This is the fill color. You can also change the other color or go to the shape outline, also same or no outline. You can also change the color, means you can give the gradient. This is the no color, more color, and it is also called custom. Now we just go to the fill color, click on fill color. Now we change the gradient color. This is the gradient. Click on more gradient option, more gradient, and gradient fill. Now this is the two color. We can give the first color and second color. Change the liner option. Okay, now just change the color format. Click on middle position, and again we give another color or same color, then increase or decrease the position of color. Okay, now it creates just a format of application. Now we create a table, means this is the column, 24 column, 2 row or 14 column. Now we go to the insert option and click on text box. Here we write some text. General qualification, and outline, no outline. Click on bold option. Then again take a text box and click some. Click write some data. Here we write name of applicant and click on this text box and no outline. Now we write the address and click on format option, no outline. Select then bold. Okay. Now change the position of the table or text box. Here we write or drawing a table and we write the date of birth, date, month, year, and click on format option, then no outline. Okay. Here we write the gender and give some space, and we write male and female, male and female, and take a shape. Just we give a square and copy paste. Press the Ctrl key and paste. Drag one place to another place. And here we create again a table. This is the personal details. And click on this save and go to the outline. Now we just drag a table, draw table, click on table option, and this is the draw table. Here we drawing a table. Here we drawing a table, then right click over the table, then split cell, number of row and number of column. Now we give 12 column and 4 row. And just give the shape color. Okay, and again we create another text box or another shape, and just we copy and paste and click the shape color. Here we write plan 1 and plan A and plan B. Increase the font size, bold and underline, or just increase the font size. Then this is the format menu, and go to the format menu and shape fill. Just we give a light color. Okay, now this is the no outline, and here we put a circle and no outline, and again we press the control key, then copy one place to another place. Then again we click and no outline. This is the shape, and here we fill a light color or put the light color and go to the no outline option. Now just it complete a form application, visa application form. Okay, this is the officially form.